Hey everyone, it's Linda with What's Linda Cooking. I am today just doing a little bit of fried chicken with a new air fryer. I am in love with this, and I think I've got some little bit of, oh, yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm using my air fryer. I am so in love with this product because, you know what, who doesn't love fried stuff? I certainly love it. So I'm just doing something really, I'm not even putting a coating on it. I am just going to, I have this, infused oil. So I've got my chicken drumsticks here. I'm just going to put a little bit of this infused, a little bit, a lot, and just season it up with a little bit of sea salt. Here we go, and I'm going to kind of mix that in and do a little bit more. A little bit of, and I'm going to use my garlic and herb because it is one of my favorite seasoning. And I'm just going to kind of mix this up, and then a little bit of freshly ground pepper. I need to get more pepper in here. I'm going to grab a thing of tongs. If I can grab this. It would be nice if I actually had this stuff out. So my tongs. And I'm just going to kind of move this around in here a little bit and season it some more, okay? And I love the tongs because I don't have to be touching any of the, the food with my hands, so I can actually use my hands to do the seasoning and all of that. And I have heard it said that if you season and you think it's enough, season some more, because most of the time it's not. And I do have some issues sometimes with not using enough seasoning. So that I kind of take to heart and just kind of keep on seasoning it. So we got the garlic and herb on there just because I love it. And you could do chili lime, you can do whatever, and that's what I love about this. Chicken is so versatile. You can make it every night of the week, but then have like something different, maybe a different flavor or what have you. So I'm gonna open up my air fryer, and I've got the trays, and I'm just going to load my chicken right on here. And let me mix it around a little bit more. Just load it on, and I alternate, and I think I have 6. So I'm going to try to do 3 on each rack. And so we've got that one, and then this one. And you know what? I picked these up at Aldi, really inexpensive, because Aldi, had them for I think 69 cents a pound. So really, really inexpensive. So we're going to put that, and then that oil is going to go away. And let's put that in there too, because I don't want to use that. So we're going to just put this on air fry, and I'm going to put it on for 25 minutes. But I actually, I'm going to add it because I find I like it a little bit more done. And then that's going to be set. I don't know if you can see the air fryer. There we go. And that's going to be set, and it's going to be 30 minutes. Now at the 15 minutes, or even a little bit less, I am going to put in, I have some cauliflower. I'm going to make a salad, and I'm also going to I have some mac and cheese too. So I am going to add this roasted cauliflower. And so we're just going to put a little bit of oil on here. And then I'll probably do the same type of spices just because I like them. A little bit of, and this is a stainless steel bowl. The other one you saw was the batter bowl. I like my bowls. I have a ton of different bowls that I use because I'm constantly, you don't want to cross-contaminate. So we got and then we're just going to kind of toss that up, kind of mix it. And did I lose one? No, I didn't. Isn't that great? I didn't lose it. So I'm going to open up this real quick. So see the bottom tray right there? That's what I'm going to put on there. And, I'm going to put all of this probably in the halfway mark, or maybe at the 10-minute mark. I'll do that. And then I'm just going to make a salad and we're going to have some mac and cheese on the side that I made last night, and that is going to be dinner. Very, very quick, half-an-hour meal, lots of veggies and mac and cheese. So if I can, I will come in later and show you the rest. Hey everyone, it's Linda again. This is all done, it's beeping. And I am just going to kind of take this out, take one, because I'm just going to have one. Oh, look how nice and crispy this is. And it is nice, crispy. And then we're just going to add some of this cauliflower. I love roasted cauliflower, and this is kind of like a fried. So we're gonna add some of that. And I was gonna do some, have some of the mac and cheese, but I actually think that this is pretty good, just the way it is. And so then, last thing is my salad that I made. Let's move that around. And we're just going to add a heaping thing of salad right there with that mix. Let's get some of the other stuff on top, like that. And this is dinner tonight, done in a half an hour. So it is air fried chicken and roasted cauliflower and a nice spring salad. So easy, quick, half an hour meal. Family will love it. And if you want mac and cheese on the side, you have plenty of time to make some mac and cheese. Like I was going to just have some left over, but that is it. So this is Linda Medeiros and What's Linda Cooking. And share this, because sharing is caring. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to have a bunch of stuff on there too. And it's What's Linda Cooking. Surprise, surprise, Linda Medeiros, What's Linda Cooking. And I will see you next time. Bye.